earlier I was just to follow the sentiments, emotions, informations, नॉट क्लियर, तो मतलब वही होता था, बहुत एबेंडेंस हो जाएगा, अपने आप हो जाएगा. सो द फ्यूचर वाज नॉट क्लियर, मतलब गोल सेटिंग ही नहीं था इसमें से क्या होगा, कितना जर्नी ट्रैवल करेंगे. एट द एंड ऑफ 9 years, दिस 9 year मैंने वो टोटल किया तो incremental भी नहीं हो रहा है. Even yesterday, as I am gold member, so even yesterday I learned lot many things, structuring the portfolio, bottom to top, top to bottom approach, and even this Chat GPT application. And one thing I would like to say you all, which is most difficult for me, was to unlearn what I know.
Yeah. I think you have done a technical, some big course, no? If you do, Sher Khan something, no?
Demand supply
Maybe
also,
one.
I in demand supply, I also did the one course with the USA company, that is
Yes,
Online Trading Academy, where Sher
big
Khan is
course.
their Indian partner.
Yes,
So
yes.
lot many things I learned. So even though, even though some fundamental defect was error which was there. So after joining your hub, so I am very slow and strictly doing everything as per the rules. And I'm confident that I will do it. It's a whole new world open for me, for all also actually. So, and your commitment, your dedication, your passion, and even small word is life altering. आप कोई मीनिंगलेस चीज ही नहीं बोलते हो, मतलब ट्रूली यू आर वेरी पैशनेट. वेरी रेयर पीपल, मैं मतलब लाइफ में बहुत अच्छे लोगों से, बहुत ऊपर नीचे लोगों से मिला हूँ, लेकिन ट्रूली यू आर जेम ऑफ पर्सन, तपन.